If you have a home improvement project, look to Steve's Flooring and Design to make your dreams a reality. Replace your outdated and worn-out kitchen and bath cabinets. Install beautiful custom cabinetry with maintenance-free quartz countertops. Pamper yourself with soft close features, plus helpful cabinet inserts. At Steve's Flooring and Design, you'll find an impressive selection of sinks, faucets, tubs, and shower accessories to spruce up your bathroom or kitchen. Discover flooring solutions to meet all your needs: ceramic and porcelain tile, laminates, hardwoods, carpets, and luxury vinyl. Steve's Flooring offers accurate measuring for your professional flooring installation. The highly skilled design staff has more than 30 years of experience to help you choose the best options for your home. At Steve's Flooring and Design, you always get exceptional work and superior renovation options. Contact us today and get the home that you deserve.